turning right then. Take my seatbelt off. Okay, where did we get to with this? Okay, mirror still position. Now, if you were, you've got to give way to both sides of the road anyway, and we have a give way line. So if you're stopping to give way, humour me, where would be the ideal place to stop? Is it there, or there?
There.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give way line.
Yeah.
Absolutely. If you stop there, well, it's not a good idea. You've already committed, so it's not safe. Have you noticed now? You've only been driving. It's only your second lesson. But have you starting to notice people's driving mistakes when you're walking around and seeing people drive now? You start to have a little bit of a taste of what driving is all about. If you haven't, you'll start doing it more and more. You have a look where people stop in relationship to the give way line when they're emerging, or at a stop line for traffic lights or zebra crossings or something like that. People always stop short like that. What would be the problem with that? I can think of 3, maybe 4 problems why it would not be beneficial. You get more benefit from there than if you're there.
So if you're there, you might not see fully around the corner.
Big time. That is the big one. That is reason number 1. That's family fortunes. That would get you the buzz on the holiday. Because look, that's there. Even if you come back a little bit, it's really come back. So at night time, nothing there. Well, you're not actually looking at. So, absolutely spot on. That's the big one. What else?
Surely if a car was behind, maybe.
Yeah. That's exactly. If they're expecting you to do. If you asked 100 motorists, do you stop there? Do you stop here? Or do you stop at the giveaway? 100 people would say.
At the giveaway.
The giveaway zone.
Yeah.
So, if someone's following you, where would you be expecting that person to stop?
At the giveaway, yeah.
Expect them to stop at the giveaway because everyone knows you stop at the giveaway line. And if you stop short, what are you increasing the chances of?
Crash.
Yeah, being rear-ended, isn't it, by that car from there? So that's another big reason. I'll give you another one as well. You're more likely to cut a corner if you're starting from there. When we turn left, we do cut the corner, don't we? Because we want to cut off that corner, get off. But when if you cut a corner here, that's really bad. So when we're moving off, we're actually going to move off straight and then turn. One full turn. So if you're starting from there, you're more likely to do that. And also, it's going to take longer to get up to speed from there. Your timing is going to be, it's not easy to time it from there than it is from back there. So you get the reason.
Yeah.
So if everybody knows you should stop at the give way, and yet the majority of people stop short, my next question is, why are people stopping short when they know they should be stopping there, do you think? It's a good question, isn't it? Shall I explain to you? How far ahead do we? Tell you what, stay there. Draw my attention. If you can see when you see my feet are on the ground.
Yeah.
When you can pretend my feet would give way lines. When you can see my feet, you draw my attention.
Okay. Now.
How far am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 metres away?
Yeah.
So people look at the front, go, I can no longer see the give way line. I must be at the give way line, and people stop short. It's an optical illusion.
Okay.
So, begs the question, therefore, how do you know you're at the give way line? See the underside of the mirror, of the wing mirror. When you look on the curb, underside of the mirror, if you bring it up to the give way line, it will mean it's at the give way line. So when we drive off straight until see the pointy bit in the mirror. So when it looks like it's in the middle of the road, now we go emerging, it's going to be looks like it's in the middle of the road. One full turn, it will bring it around. First few times you do it, it will feel like you're about to mount the pavement because of that 4 or 5 metre thing. Trust my references until your brain goes, it's all right after all.
Okay.
Should we give it a go?
Yeah.
So we're going to go to the end of the road and we're going to turn right. Slowing it down, keep it straight, clutch down. In first gear, you're in first gear, just roll it up. No, look, you started turning there. We said we're going to stop at the end of the road there. It's okay.
Oh, okay.
Nothing behind us. This is why we do it on a nursery road, not like a really busy road. So look at the underside of the mirror.
Yeah.
You tell me, you're going to have to paint an imaginary line from the top of the curb to the top of the curb. You tell me when it's there. It's about there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so there we go. So you can see both ways quite clearly, can't you?
Yeah.
Right. You have to put clutch down first gear. I've just secured the car for us. Now you're going to drive forwards until that pointy bit mirror is halfway across the road, then you're going to go one full turn. I'll take the handbrake off for you on this occasion. Take a straight foot. Just clutch it. That's it. Move it off slowly, and then a little bit of gas. Now one full turn. That's it, and then turn it back. Now you overturned it. You turned it full lock. This is why you've gone on the wrong side of the road. So just trust that reference, because you feel, oh my god, I'm so close to the curb.
Yeah, it feels like you're literally going to
get. Yeah, it feels like you're going to take someone out of the pavement. It's just not collision. Maybe a little bit. At the end of this road, you're going to turn right. Potential hands of the bicycle. I hope they've seen us. So about from here, mirror, signal right. Let's bring it out, bring it in. I'm going to slow it down. Here we go. Off the gas. Gently on the brake. Clutch down first gear. Come back to our side of the road there. Put the biting. You've got the biting point. Slow it down. Gently. Okay, stop. So you've got that side there as well. You're only looking one way, so you've got to look both ways. Go to the take the clutch over from me. You got it?
Yeah.
A little bit of gas then. Oh no, just hold it there for that car. Now you've got the clutch. If I come off it. Okay, good. Now looking left and right. Now we are a little bit out on the road now, so a little bit of gas. Just one full, left foot turn, one full turn. Now the thing is that your steering was a little bit
slow.
Yeah, a bit more. Second gear, please. That's it. We're gonna signal, brake on the straight, slowing it down. It's okay ahead. Is it okay behind? Yes, it is. Off the brake. Job done. Ready and go. One full turn, then turn it back. Yeah. Keep in first gear. I'm turning it because we're going to turn right now. Mirror signal. Ease off. No, ease off. Now it's see you jumped ahead of steering there a little bit. A little bit left turn there. End of the road. You're going to turn left. Keep in first gear if you want to. Mirror signal. Just brake on the straight. Brake. Slow it down. It's starting to open now, so just ease off the brake. Clear that way. Clear that way. Turn. Turning it in. Turn. And the right hand's going to power it away. And second gear. And off we go. Second gear. Moving away from the curb there. You can call your Lauren now. Belle. Belle's so much easier than he's a Belle.
Yeah.
Bloody mouthful. Turning right, please. Mirror signal right. Brake on the straight. So slow brake. Slow it right down. Maybe rolling second. But no, there. Pointy bit. One full turn. You see about the pointy bit of the mirror?
Yeah.
And now you've got to imagine there's always someone there. What you're doing is cutting the corner.
Oops.
Did we have a little discussion about what happens if you got the corner at the beginning? I think we did. Little one, didn't we? Little imaginary.
Yeah.
There we go. We're going to be turning right again, please. So mirror signal, off the gas, gently on the brake, slow it down. That's it, off the brake. Now focus on that point of turn. Wait for it. One full turn, then turn it back. So even then, that's just a fraction early.
Yeah.
Trust my references. Going, click make process. Door width. Thank you. And mirrors back in. Good stuff. End of the road, turning left, please. Mirror signal. We're going to go to that estate now. Slowing it down. Brake. First gear then. Let it roll in slowly. A little bit of brake if you have to. Slow. Remember, you can stop there. Okay, we'll let that car go. Coming to our left. We're going to go up to there and turn left. Got your biting point ready. Using our time wisely. Set your gas. Set 4, 3, one full turn. That's enough. And then turn it back and second gear. Great. 3, 2, 1. That mirror signal left. We're going to go left. Ease off. Are we clear on the right? Are we okay? Set, round we go, nice and slowly, because look, you've got another car here, so ease off. You've got to slow until we know we can go. Through we go. So that's just a short snippet of the full lesson there. Belle's now turning left, turning right, where we can build on that for next week as well. Now, I hope that's quite useful. Use those references for turning right. Please remember to like, subscribe, press the notifications as well, and leave any comments. See you at the next lesson.